Hey guys, Oppo are all set to launch new flagship device Oppo Find X7 and Oppo Find X7 Pro, and this is the first look Oppo Find X7 Pro render. And as you can see that the phone comes with big camera house. Yes, Oppo Find X7 Pro to be world first smartphone with dual periscope telephoto cameras. Oppo Find X7 Pro featuring a quad camera setup in the back using a 50 megapixel Sony Lite 901-inch sensor has a main camera, 50 megapixel ultra wide who is Sony IMX890, 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 6x optical zoom who is Sony IMX858, then another 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 2.7x who is Sony IMX890. All the camera specs are recently leaked and confirmed, and on the other hand regular Oppo Find X7 come with single 3x periscope camera. Another big changes Oppo Find X7 series will be support satellite communication connectivity. Oppo Find X7 Pro come with very high quality BOE 2K resolution, LTPO 120Hz display, and the regular Oppo Find X7 also come with curved display with the BOE X1 display with the 120Hz refresh rate. The Oppo Find X7 Pro will be featuring the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. On the other hand, the regular Find X7 is come with Dimensity 9300 SoC, and the Antutu score are already leaked. Rumor also say that the Find X7 series will be announced before the 2024 in China market. So that's all about the Oppo Find X7 series. If you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.